Welcome to the Thomson Reuters Order Manager. Once logged in, the user will navigate from the main blotter page to My Admin on his first day. From here he can set his UTC offset time. He can save a sound from his hard drive should he wish to have an audio alert for incoming messages. User can set which blotters he wishes to view and set his home screen. Finally, from here he can create a new password. Group Admin. From here the Group Admin user can review his fellow users' details in the user list. To edit, please call your Thomson Reuters contact. In the company-wide settings table, the user can set a desk as unattended and thus auto-assign orders to route to another desk. This would only ever be used where a multiple desk operation has been set up. Group Admin user can set the firm-wide session timeout for Trom. He can also set up a default commission rate to go out with his done for day messages, per share, percentage or absolute. Group Admin user can set up his new counterparty connection in trading partner list or edit current ones to disable them. This would be done in conjunction with liaising with his network provider contact at Thomson Reuters. User will notice how these counterparties are copied across into a footer at the bottom of the blotter. The Group Admin user is able to view an audit of actions undertaken by his user community, useful at times where actions are disputed amongst users. Exceptions. Any orders that come in over the network but fail to reach the blotters are captured in the exceptions table, which can be viewed by clicking the grey button in Group Admin or the hyperlink in the title bar area. User can use the search function by using the search box at the top of the screen to search through all his orders, or can elect to use a more refined search by using the advanced search function. He can search across chosen timelines with the date selector. Various other search parameters are made available to him in the table beneath, including order ID, direction and currency. These results are then returned in a table below the search area, and these results can be checked, then exported to a spreadsheet for passing on to middle or back office functions. Blotter configuration is undertaken on day one. User will click Configure Blotter and choose which column headings he wishes to see, which, as is clear here, I have mainly done already. To the right of the blotter, or underneath if screen size is reduced, are the blotter filters. These simply filter out unnecessary noise to assist the user in keeping a tidy blotter during the trading day. User can select, unselect at any time. Font colours stipulate order directions, so blue for buys and red for sells or short sells. Background colours stipulate order status: grey for cancelled, green for filled, white for working and blue for pending action. Order symbology found to the far right of the order: red tick to accept order, hand and paper to view order detail, red cross to reject order, and the globe to view allocations attached to the order. Clicking on the red tick will accept the order. Clicking on the hand and paper symbol takes the user into the order details screen, where he can perform a number of actions, including filling the order with price and, if desired, location of execution, useful in Europe and North America especially. User can override default commission in here, and then done for day an order. Commission is only ever carried out with a done for day message. He can also cancel and amend fills, and in the very rare circumstance of a done for date order, can bust it using the override button after having looked up his done for date order in the search function. All incoming and outgoing message flow is captured in this table below the order detail area. You will notice a small blue box with an eye in it to the right of each message. This simply allows the user to drill down and view the message at a fixed level of detail. Blotter buttons. Grey buttons at the top of the blotter, if used in conjunction with the check boxes or the check all box in the top left hand corner, allow the user to undertake actions on multiple orders. So multiple accept or multiple reject, multiple done for day messages, and finally the multi-deal fill option, which presents the user with the ability to fill multiple orders at once. In the multi-deal fill ticket, the user is able to fill multiple orders at once, saving him time not having to drill down into each individual order. He can enter the partial fill amount, price, execution venue, which is optional, and if commissions have been set up in group admin, can override these if necessary on the done for day, which he can also perform from here. Other functions are shown by those grey buttons there. Finally, a word on alerts for new orders or messages. If the user elects to include a sound in My Admin, then when a new message arrives into the blotters, a sound alert will be generated, along with a new message flashing in pink for 3 seconds before turning the background blue. The blotter tab where the message has arrived will turn red as well. Message flashes in pink for 3 seconds, background then turns blue. Finally, there is a bright red line in the title bar with a yellow font alerting him in case he's not in a blotter screen. And that is the Thomson Reuters Order Manager.